Canva have more than 1,000 plus app, but I have picked top for app for May. First, we will use text shape. Go to app and search for text shape. This is the app icon. Now you will need to input this text or use the default text option as well. I will use the default text option, but make some text color adjustment. I will choose white color to create this effect. Other than that, you don't need to change any settings. On new blank page, bring the design. Now spread the text design like this by duplicating it. Download this design as well. Bring the downloaded file back to Canva. Now, we will use another app named Blend Image. This is the which will create a Photoshop-like effect. And this is the app interface. You only need to make sure you select the image at top and bottom. Top layers should be text and bottom layers should be face. And there you have it. Third on our list is transform image. We will do perspective type effect to our design. Make sure remove the background and download the file in PNG format with transparent background. I will input gradient color. Now bring the downloaded file back to Canva. We will go to apps and search for transform image. Choose the file. And you can see you can adjust its perspective. And you can create this type of design. Do the same for other side as well. And you can add some random images like this. Last app on our list is Speed Painter. I have already made a detailed video, you can check that as well. Select image and hit generate. And you will have a custom hand-drawn whiteboard animation ready. Click on Add to Design. If you want to learn about motion animation, then you can click on this video.